YouTube? It's me again. What do I got today? Besides a glossy forehead, got a video for you. I got a couple of videos I'm going to do tonight. And then tomorrow I'm probably going to bring my camera over to their building and show you the mess that I'm doing there. I also have a little update I'm going to make on the wooden sign, but that's a whole nother thing. Anyway, so check this out. Somebody dropped this off to me because they know I like big, bulky, heavy, stupid things that I really don't need. So, what else? Here, look. I got me another crummy looking record number 5 vise. It's got weld splatter. It's got little demon marks where to use this. There's weld splatter down here. Apparently it might open okay. The handle's bent, so somebody was definitely giving it a pounding. Usually I think people are right when they say if the handle's bent, it means they've been abused. So I think I agree with somebody when they say if the handle's bent, it's been abused. It does not appear to have any cracks or whatever. Should I fix it? Should I repaint it? Of course I should. I should also chisel off. I'm not going to take it apart tonight. I would like to see if the jaws come off, but not right now. It's definitely I guess you could say a little workhorse. It's got a 5-inch jaw. It's not one of those big 8-inch monsters. It's a standard record made in England vise. I have no idea how to tell when these are made. I'm not even gonna look. I have a feeling this is I don't know, standard run-of-the-mill record vices. This looks like it originally had some type of, what do you call it, greenish color. So if anybody knows about record vices that had green paint, let me know. That weird like machinery green type that everything seems to have. The screw looks pretty good. There's the pin for the nut to get out of there, and the screw looks actually in really good shape. At least the back half. I don't know about the front half. Somebody painted it gold. It's got lots of dirt on it. There's not much really to see. So other than that, that's my first new tool for the week. It's there's welding splatter here. There's welding splatter. There's a welding splatter in the back. There's a hole in here, which I don't know what the hole's for. Is that maybe to get the pin out? I don't know. They don't have a hole in the side. Oh, let me check. Let me check my other one. Hold on. They have a hole in the side. Let's check. Oh, it's a good thing I have another one to compare with. The other one's got a hole too, so I guess I got identical babies to put on the bench. Now, should I put a Chaz Parker on the bench? Like, should I keep the Chaz Parker on this side, put a Wilton over here, and put 2 record vices over there, or should I don't know. I'm going to take all the grinders off here and put them down there, so maybe I will put a bench with 15 vices on it. Just for like, why not reasons, right? Why the hell not? I think the handle needs a little bit of, is this one peened on? If anybody knows how they made these handles, I'd appreciate if you tell me. If they were popped on and peened over or they welded, I could make another one. I think what I'll do is I will take this handle off and get another bar like, where is it? Where's the bar? Where's the bar? Where's the bar? Jabbar. Where's the Jabbar? Well, anyway, there's a bar handle here somewhere. And I think this is a 1/2 inch. I will take it off, cut the end off, put it, just freaking weld it and grind it off. Because why the hell not? This is not a, if you look at it, it's got a little, let me see. I can show you here. Yeah, see the small wobble in it? It's not exactly straight. The little butt end here is in pretty good shape. I don't know if you can really see it too well, but it's a pretty decent vise. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. See, it's an old vise. I got it super cheap. If anybody wants a vise, I'll donate it to them. So, thanks for watching this short little vise video. If anybody knows any history of these, I don't feel like looking it up. It's a record vise. Made in England. They're not really spectacular. Don't get me wrong. They're good vices. They're good for working beaters. They're not, mind you, I don't think people should be collecting vices, even though it's nice to collect history. But they should be used for work and kept working on. So with that, thanks for subscribing, like, subscribe, and ta-da, it's all good.